Welcome to the Lumension Device Control video vignette series, in which we discuss how to use specific features and capabilities of Lumension Device Control, now an integrated module on the Lumension Endpoint Management and Security Suite, to control the use of removable devices and media like USB flash drives and DVD burners within your network. Hello, my name is Chris Merritt, and in this episode I'm joined by Chris Chevalier from Product Management to discuss how you can protect valuable data using Lumension Device Control. The universe of consumer and productivity enhancing devices is exploding, but their use within organizational network is largely unseen and unknown. This could result in data loss or theft or malware propagation. In most organizations, no one really knows who is using what devices for what purpose. So, Chris, how does one gain visibility into device usage within the organization?
Well, Chris, using Lumension Device Control in the Lumension Endpoint Management and Security Suite, you can get a picture of exactly what's being connected to your endpoints and your servers, and what kind of files are being moved back and forth within your organization. And this is typically a blind spot for many organizations. So in order to get visibility out there, what we first need to do is install the LEMSS agent with the device control module out on that endpoint. So I'll use the integrated agent management job here to specify either a single computer or a group of computers, an IP address range, several different options I have for defining where I want these agents installed, different methods of accessing those machines, and then here I have the options to include different layers of protection on those machines: antivirus, application control, device control, patch remediation, power management, that sort of thing. So here we're interested in making sure that device control gets installed out on those endpoints, and I provide credentials to get into those machines and install those. And then when I finish this job, it'll go out and install those agents on the endpoints or servers with the device control module. And we can see here which modules are installed on which machines. So I've got device control installed on these 4 endpoints. Now, once the agent is out there, it's initially in a non-blocking or an audit mode. So it's not disrupting productivity, but it is collecting and logging information about what's being connected to the endpoints. So if we come here under Review the Device Event Logs, we can look through those logs in a number of different ways. So we can look at everything that happened. I can look at CDs and DVDs that were in use. I can look at devices which were connected to my endpoints. So I'll drill in here and show you an example. Here we see a number of events where we've got devices attaching to computers, and I have the time that it was attached, and I can see which endpoint and who the logged in user was on that system and what sort of device it was, and then there's model information as well as serial number if the device has some sort of serial number. So if I go through these results and I look, for example, at things that are USB, I see here is a BlackBerry that's been connected to this particular endpoint. And while this may or may not be a device that we want to manage and allow permissions for, we can go through this and look at the various devices and see exactly what people are using, and it gives us a really good picture as to what sort of iPods and digital picture frames and even external hard drives, all sorts of things that might be being connected to our network that we really don't have any visibility into otherwise.
Yeah, those devices are really powerful and really beneficial to enabling business, but they also introduce risk, don't they?
Well, sure, and you can't stop your users from bringing in all these devices and connecting them. Most organizations can't, but what you can do is set up some policies and enforce them using device control, which makes it safe for them to be connected to your network.
Great, thanks Chris. I hope you enjoyed this short video on how Lumension Device Control will help you gain visibility and control over the use of removable devices and media in your environment. For more information, please visit the device control page on our website, where you can get free premium security tools to assess your network today. Thank you.